Realme GT Neo 2. So this mobile is going to comes with 6.62 inches of a full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protected 120Hz refresh rate display. And when we talk about the processor, this is the mobile which is going to comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is a 5G processor, and it is a 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G, it comes with the actual 7 bands of 5G. And this mobile is completely metal and glass build from the Realme side. Yeah, that's a plus point. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile comes with three variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256 with no expanded memory. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. Yes. And for the cameras, this mobile completely based on the performance, so we can't expect much from the camera. So by the way, this comes with a 64 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultrawide, 2 megapixels of macro, 3 cameras at the back side. For the front, it comes with a 16 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, yeah, this is the most important thing we have to take a look in this mobile. It comes with a bigger 5000 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 65 watts of fast charge. And that too, this mobile comes with a 65 watts charger included in the box with this mobile. So that is also a plus thing. And when we talk about the features, like this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. Yes. And this mobile also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and it will also comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile is will be available in 3 colors: blue, black and yellow. And this mobile is going to release today or tomorrow in India, and this mobile expected price of this mobile will be around 30,899. That means almost 31,000 rupees. And I have also made other videos like iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 13 Pro Max comparison. If you want to watch those kind of videos, go to the description box and click the links in the description box, or you can choose the iCards given in the top section. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel. Basically, subscribe to the channel because my channel needs a lot of subscribers,